Ngibingelele ngiphinde ngamukela abaqalayo ukuba kwiMalusi TV bese bengakhohlwa ukucindezela usubscribe button.
And protect. Having engaged many people from different walks of life, more especially those who have placed their faith in the ANC to transform their lives, it is clear that they are disappointed. They are very critical of the manner in which the ANC has been conducting itself as a political party governing their country in recent years, more especially under the current leadership. For over a century, the ANC leadership always treats its members and supporters with utmost respect and prioritizes listening to them more than listening to themselves. An open channel of communication from the ground up had always been a core practice of organization and had helped to maintain a strong connection with the people. A healthy relationship between the leadership and the ANC and its members at all levels demonstrated the character of being an organization of the people, by the people, and for the people. It is for such reasons that many of us initially joined the ANC and believed so deeply in its mission that we were prepared to sacrifice our lives. Many indeed paid the supreme sacrifice and lost their lives in the process of fighting for our freedom. The ANC that I know always prioritized recruiting new members and continuously sought to build and maintain a powerful structure. The ANC I know was never focused more on expelling members without implementing proper processes to establish if such action was appropriate. The ANC I know gave its members and supporters a home and empowered them with a clear policy to undertake the tasks it delegated to them in pursuit of the mission to transform lives. To be a member of this much respected organization was an honor and it built a sense of pride in members. This encouraged members to be proactive in executing the mission of transforming the lives of the people. In the process, the organization produced some of the best cadres and driven leaders who earned the respect of the people of this country and many more beyond our borders. I also personally benefited from the movement's investment in its members and leaders. As a long-standing member of this mighty organization, I spent the greater part of my life going through rigorous training in political education that shaped me to be what I am today. I have been an active member of the ANC for 64 years and have been trusted with and undertaken many tasks allocated to me by my leaders at different levels within the organization. I have served as a volunteer of the ANC, I have been a member of the ANC. I have also been trusted to hold a number of positions throughout the period of my membership. I have also served in military training of the ANC in Puerto Rico, where my commanders assigned me a number of tasks that I saw through. In these various positions, I carried out all the tasks and instructions I was entrusted with, no matter how difficult and dangerous some of the assignments may have been. I was equally ready to die if needed. There is not a single task that I cannot execute to the best of my abilities. I have always put ANC first for any other personal interest in the pursuit of the greater goal of liberation. I was loyal to the organization then, and I remain a loyal servant of the organization to this day. I have served my organization under different conditions and circumstances. I joined the ANC in 1958, so did the band in 1960. And within the band, I also served the organization underground. I was arrested and served 90 days detention out of trial. I was in trial with other convicts for 3 months and served 10 years on Robben Island. I was exiled from my home country for 14.5 years. During all this time, I remained loyal and true to my comrades and leaders. We were truly disciplined members of the ANC, not as slogans, but in reality. During those years on Robben Island, I can proudly say that the level of obedience and discipline was at its highest. During my time on Robben Island, I held the position of leading the political committee, which was responsible for political education. After my release, within the following 1 year and 11 months, I was appointed as the underground secretary of the then Natal province, and thereafter left the country to go into exile under the instruction of our organization. I then later ascended to the position of commander within MK